Hello friend, today my new topic is what is a personal loan? A personal loan is money borrowed from a bank, a credit union or an online lender that you repay in equal monthly installments usually over 2 to 7 years. Personal loans are typically unsecured, which means they don't require collateral. Lenders instead consider your credit profile, income and debts during repay the loan. Your credit can take a hit. How do personal loans work? Within a few days after you approved for a personal loan, a lender will deposit from your loan amount minus any organization fee into your bank account. Once you have the money, you can use it for nearly any purpose. Repayment of your personal loan typically start 30 days after you receive the money. You can pay the fixed monthly amount directly, or some lenders let you set up auto pay from your bank account. Monthly setups earlier if you make additional payments towards your loan. When should I get a personal loan? A NerdWallet survey published in October 2022 revealed that nearly one quarter of Americans, 24%, took out a personal loan within the past 12 months, borrowing on average 5 $5.046. Getting a personal loan makes the most sense when it is the least expensive reason to get a personal loan. Personal loans can be used for almost any purpose. Some common reasons borrowers can get a loan include debt consolidation, home improvement, major life events, medical expenses, unexpected expenses. Using a personal loan for a wedding or discontinuity expenses like a vacation can be expensive. Nerd wallet comes using savings for a national to avoid finance charge. If you are borrowing for emergency or medical expenses, consider less expensive alternatives such as community assistance for payment plans. How to choose the best personal loan? Here are things to consider as you shop around and compare personal loans. Soft credit check. Most online lenders let you check your estimated interest rate by performing a soft check of your credit. During pre-qualification, this will not affect your credit score, so it pays to take steps to pre-qualify for a loan with multiple lead lenders and compare rates and loan features. Annual percentage rate, because APR including interest rates and fee, they offer borrowers declining between personal loan offers. Use our personal loans calculator to monthly payments and total cost on personal loans. Repayment terms, having a wide variety of repayment terms option allowed you to for a longer term and you make a more financial sense than the other. Loan amount, depending on how much money you need, one lender could be more attractive than another. Some lender offer small to mid-size loans like $2,000 to $50,000, while others provide loans up to $1 lakh. Determining the amount you need will help you compare and decide special features. See whether the lender you are considering offers any perks that you may benefit from. Features like autopay, rate discounts, unemployment protection, or financial coaching. It used for something that can potentially increase your financial standing, like debt consolidation or home improvement. You can manage the monthly payment without stressing your budget.